Hey everyone, today we're talking about three popular Linux distributions: Kali Linux, Ubuntu, and Linux Mint. They're all free and powerful, but each is built for different kinds of users. By the end, you'll know which one might be best for you in 2025. First up, Kali Linux. Kali is a Debian-based distribution made for security professionals. It comes packed with hundreds of pre-installed tools for penetration testing, forensics, reverse engineering, and vulnerability assessment. It's powerful, but it isn't designed for everyday users. It assumes you already know Linux and cybersecurity basics. Next, Ubuntu is more general purpose and one of the most widely used Linux distros. It has long-term support releases so you get years of maintenance and security fixes. It's supported by Canonical, used in desktops, servers, and cloud infrastructure. It's a solid pick if you want reliability, a big community, easy updates, and compatibility with many software packages. Finally, Linux Mint is built on top of Ubuntu and focuses on ease of use for desktop users. Its environment is polished and user-friendly, great for people moving from Windows or those who want a stable Linux desktop without fuss. It gives you many features out of the box and doesn't demand deep technical skills to set up or customize your system. So which one should you pick? If you're into cybersecurity work or ethical hacking, Kali Linux gives you tools straight away, but comes with learning curve. If you want a stable, well-supported system for everything from development to gaming to office work, Ubuntu is a safe bet. And if you prefer a nice desktop experience with minimal setup and want something more friendly, Linux Mint could be your best start. So that's it. Thanks for watching.